Woke up tight in the hips again? That dull stiffness isn't random. It's your body begging for a reset from the way you sat, slept, or stressed yesterday. Today, we're going deeper into the joints that store the most tension. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours. Begin slow circular movements with your hips. Imagine you're tracing the rim of a bowl. Smooth, controlled. These are small but mighty. They signal your lower back, pelvis, and deep core. Wake up, we're moving today. I promise this move unlocks hidden tension in your sacrum, improves spinal flow, and sets the foundation for everything that comes next. Beginners, keep the circles tight and gentle. Advanced stretches make each rotation bigger, slower, deeper. You feeling that warmth building at your base yet? Give me 5 more seconds in the opposite direction. That just unlocked your core. Now let's fire up the glutes. Sit on all fours, lift your right knee out to the side, like you're opening a door. Controlled. No twisting, then switch. These look funny, but don't underestimate them. This is your gluteus medius, the forgotten muscle that controls your stability, balance, and posture. I promise activating this zone reduces lower back pain, supports your hips, and improves how you walk and train. Beginners, a smaller range of motion is okay. Advanced stretches, add a pause at the top for that slow burn. Still with me? Don't drop. We've got 5 more seconds. That just fired up your hips. Now let's stretch them open. Right leg forward and knee bent. Slide your back leg behind. Sink gently into the pose. Breathe deep. Switch sides after 30. This is the stretch for people carrying emotional weight in their hips. You sit here, you'll feel your body start to exhale physically and emotionally. I promise this releases your glutes, opens your hips, and improves hip joint health like no other. Can't fold fully? Prop a pillow under your hip. One more. Walk your hands forward and drop your forehead to the floor. Do you feel that deep pull in your glutes? That's decades of tightness leaving your body. That just unlocked the back door to tension. Now let's build control. Sit on the floor, knees bent, feet flat. Drop your right knee inward towards your left foot. Then come back to center and switch side. Flow with it, slowly, with control. This might feel weird at first, but stick with it. Most people have poor internal rotation, and that's why their hips click, grind, or feel stuck. I promise improving this will help you squat, lunge, walk, and even sleep better. Beginners, place your hands behind you for support. Advanced stretches, try without your hands. Engage that core. Push for 5 more smooth reps. Can you keep your feet flat? That just builds deeper mobility. Now let's open it all the way up. Bring the soles of your feet together. Sit tall and gently press your knees toward the mat with your elbows. Don't force, breathe. Final move. This is your moment of stillness. Your posture meets present stretch. I promise this opens your inner thighs, improves pelvic posture, and soothes nervous system tension before your day begins. Beginners, sit on a cushion or block. Advanced stretches, fold forward slowly and stay here. Here's the challenge. Hold the stretch for 3 deep breaths. Feel that slow release. That's your body saying thank you.